Well, 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 look who wandered into my studio. Take a seat. No, not that one. That one's got history. Now listen, I got a July 4th special to prep, but I'm a generous soul, so I'm carving out a minute to show you something that's gonna ruin regular workflows for you forever. You drop one image into chat with Q, just one, and Q reads it, understands it, and builds you a whole fashion commercial sequence out of it. Not a mood board, a sequence. And here's the part that gets me. Q fires those prompts straight into the generate box for you. Loaded, ready, all you gotta do is click. That fast. Then you iterate. Right there on the image. Stages Proto's fast access tools. Animate it, edit it, remix it. Second minutes, not days and headaches. You watch a still photo turn into a moving, breathing commercial while your coffee's still hot. But throwing it over to from an old puppet with a smoker's valve, Dustin Hollywood, to run the whole thing live and show you how the sausage gets made. Dustin, take him to school. And you, Saturday, the big one, my July 4th extravaganza, you do not want to miss it. Stay safe out there, have yourself a happy Independence Day, and do it up big for America's 250th birthday. Buck Fuzz signing off for now.
Thanks, Buck. I'll see you Saturday for the party, man. Hey, everybody. Happy 4th of July. I hope you are all doing awesome and gearing up for a great holiday weekend. Thanks for stopping by Stages today. Like Buck said, we're about to blow your mind with today's tutorial. If you know me, I'm always talking about enhancing human creativity with AI, not replacing them. Like, one of the differences between us and today's other platforms is we focus on agents that enhance you, not do it all for you. Let me explain. We believe in not just hybrid creativity, but hybrid creating as well. That's why our creative agent, Q, doesn't just ingest content and context to then do all the creating. Instead, she takes what she knows about you in the context of what you want and enhances your ideas, workflows, and is a partner from concept to prompt, image to video, and beyond. With our fast access tools and iterative design workflows combined with autonomous assist from Q. For instance, here you can see I was using Q to make her provide the prompts from the image and direction concept I want based on previous work. Iterate until you're happy with what you got, and then have her automatically place prompts for you to look at, approve, and generate without ever needing to copy or paste anything. Once you're done, you can just close Q because it's never more than a click away. Right down in the lower right-hand corner of the app, patiently waiting to be a badass for you anytime you need it. While those images are generating, I have some already done, and I'm quickly reviewing them, seeing what I like, and then animating them, which is tied directly to your prompt input on the left-hand side panel. So if you want to change it up and inject a character or another reference image, or simply just want to animate this image but with a different direction for motion, it's easy and all accessible without needing to ever leave your workflow. Even change your model seamlessly and instantly in one click of the button if you think you want to go another direction on aesthetics, or feel like experimenting and comparing. The entire strategy here is to have every toolpath at your fingertips and at nearly the speed of thought for creators like me and like you. We can generate all our images in mere seconds and not iterations of the same image. I'm talking entire concept done in the time it took your agent to know what page they were on of your brief. That's not even the coolest part. Then while we have that going, we're going to animate and iterate all at once. Yeah, you heard me. We are going to be generating on multiple levels all at once, seamlessly moving between tools, mediums, and the project in one steady under 10-minute workflow. And there are all kinds of little hidden treasures to further help you with prompting and effects and more, such as Q Vision, which is our agent crafting enhanced prompts for you and analyzing your intent, style, approach, and more to give you the best tokens to achieve what you are looking for in the model output creatively. This is just one little tool there to assist you, so you can literally have the agent doing dozens of tasks all over the app if needed, like this, as you flow between them, orchestrating and driving the project. You can see how simple I've designed this to be for you guys too. Decades of using tools that never improved have given me a lot of experience in knowing what works for artists and what doesn't, what they need development focus on, and what they could do without. All of that has been brought to bear on how Stages Pro functions and builds around and with you as a creator. Once you get going to, it's pretty amazing the superpowers you can unlock with how you as a human create and think, combined with tools that enhance that every step of the way. I think this is going to be a new way of thinking about system design and architecture for creatives of all kinds, and I am really proud to have Stages leading the way on this. You can see how I've been quickly reviewing shots, animating them with any model I want at any length and size here that last few minutes. And that little baby down there on our generated content is our fast access tools I've been talking about. They are designed to let you flow content between any tool in the workflow chain, whether it's editing the image, video, or sending it to the storyboard tool for laying out for clients, or even the editor like Signal for vertical social posts, while also prepping an edit in the other pro editor, VIDX, for editing a full-on film. They are there when you need them, and the process is done in seconds, just like magic. You don't need to rely on an agent to do it all for you, as tempting as that is. Over time, as an artist, you will get bored of that and start losing what made it feel like magic in a bottle you were discovering for the first time. The goal is not to be faster. Clearly, anyone using stages you can see it. Everyone always talks about failing fast too, but you don't need to fail at all and iterate forever if you know what you want and you have that vision. Those are the people who need tools that are made to give them real superpowers. And that's what the idea behind Stages Pro is. It enhances human workflow and technique instead of replacing it at any level. Relying on a machine for taste, feeling, and vision in how it all comes together is like asking Babe Ruth to hit a home run with one hand tied behind his back. Speaking of editing, I have some shots I want to fast edit to get a new shot while I have these other images animating. Let me show you how to do that. First, let's head to our fast access button and go to Send to Surgical Editor. That is going to transport our image to the editor tool above the generation grid. And the whole idea behind these tools here is to allow you to simultaneously edit and generate and animate all at once. Who else's tools can do that? Answer: no one's. This is how real artists flow, you see, and you act. Waiting is not the future, especially on an agent you just tell things to. There is no way it can move faster than you because it needs you to actually know what to do. AI is made to generalize. That is what makes it work. And you can never forget that. It's like a room of 100 people deciding on one vision not happening. Instead, you will get general ideas and your badass vision will come out good, but not spectacular. Those that rely too heavily on providing data and expecting miracles to come out are not realizing that, sure, it may look decent, but ask yourself this: how long did it take you to use those agents and get that? Because this took 10 minutes from idea to completed videos going into editing, another 5 minutes with the editing assist I'm going to show you guys in another tutorial. In Stages Pro, intuition and intent of how creators think is as important as how we build. And it is what we are all about. Now, you can see how fast I am able to quickly edit this image and send it back down into the grid for review and animation or more iteration. In fact, let's take this farther and not just move her to the center, but it looks like she is missing her head. Cool. I like curveballs. So let's fix this to have her flipped around and walking toward us for the last shot. There is also another reason not to rely on agents doing creative, because essentially the ones out there aren't learning. They are recalling memory. Our agent Q, she learns, period. The prompts that created these images were based on a single image that I gave her. From that image and the direction I wanted her to give me a sequence for a fashion film, and the prompt tokens should be an edgy style like mine I've been generating. She then provides me a sequence idea to which I approved, and here's the magic in action. I've been using tools, all of them, quite literally, for years. No one has come close to understanding how we work as artists. They try, but it takes one to know one. That is what Stages brings to the table with our platform. We want to give artists superpowers with speed, reduction of iteration, growth with their agent, and unabated workflow on a level that is unmatched in generative tools today. So I hope this was fun getting to learn a little bit more about how Stages Pro works and how it can change the way you create, giving you a new level of creative flow that will only get better as we build more and more into Stages. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you all have an amazing holiday weekend. See you soon, and remember, direct the unimaginable and make the world you see.